Marty Cicco, managing partner with MJC Associates, has an extensive career in real estate investment banking and principal financing. What do you think the role REITs will play in the overall commercial real estate market will be going forward?
Well, obviously, the whole industry is over-levered. Much like the financial industry, the only way that gets cured, it doesn't get cured quickly, but over time, it's equity formation. Obviously, from a REIT perspective, if you just look in the last 12 months, the state of the markets have changed dramatically for both the equity market, the debt market, convert market, all type of ability for the REITs to go raise capital. The liquidity is returned to the market, and they have a very significant advantage over private entities today, and that market has lagged.
So overall, it sounds like you have a very healthy and optimistic view of where REITs stand.
Yeah, and I think that it's optimistic. Obviously, the real question before us is from a fundamental standpoint of how well each of the various asset classes perform, and that's going to be a direct correlation to the economy. We clearly need more jobs, to feel better about things. And certain asset classes are a little bit ahead of others in the recovery. I think you're going to see multifamily recover a little bit more quickly. Clearly, the market believes on the hotel side of it that that when it firms, it's probably nearer term, and I think that's been why a couple of the hotel recent IPOs have been successful raising capital, because investors have been convinced of that opportunity. But I think overall the trend's going to be to the public marketplace. The private marketplace, generally lags, and candidly, the vintage funds from 2006 on have a long road ahead of them from a restructuring standpoint. All of them are going to need new equity. The public market, in some cases, will be the exit strategy that they look at, or pieces of what they look at. If you have a large commingled fund, a portion of the assets may either get taken public or bought by a public company. But I think the general wisdom is I think the public markets clearly have more liquidity and more appetite than the private markets have for the foreseeable future.
Great. Marty, thank you very much.
Appreciate it.
For REIT.com, I'm Matt Bishar.